Good morning friends, welcome back to Panika Tutorials. In this video, I want to discuss one of the GATE question which came in the year 2015 related to recursive function. So, I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. These kind of questions will help the students who are preparing for the GATE and placements, and also these kind of questions will be useful for the students who are learning the C programming first time. Then you can ask me, sir, why should I learn these much complex questions when I am a beginner? But these kind of questions will help you to understand the concept in a better way. So let me read out the question, then I will discuss the solution with you. What is the output of the below C program? They have given a one function which is a fun. Okay, now let's have a fun with this function called fun. This function is having the return type as int, so it will return an integer value, and the name of the function is fun, and it is taking one parameter which is a data type is int. Okay, the parameter is n. Now int x is equal to 1 and k. So the x and k here are the local variables, and even n is also a local variable. If n is equal to 1, if the condition is true, you need to execute the statement called return x. Lot of beginners may have the doubt, sir, this is an error. Why? They will say that, sir, curly braces you forgot to keep it. But remember this point, if you have a single statement inside the if block, then the curly braces are optional. If you have more than one statement in an if block, then the curly braces are compulsory. Even the rule applies to the loops also. That's why even they did not mention the curly braces. Okay. So what is the meaning? If this condition is true, you need to execute this one and also these statements. If this condition is failed, directly you need to execute these statements. Okay. And they have a for loop. They have given the initialization section, condition checking, and they have given the updation. Here it is a pre-increment. And if this for loop condition is true, you need to execute the statement as x is equal to x plus fun of k into fun of n minus k. So you are calling a function called fun. So the fun function is calling itself. So that's why it is called as a recursive function, and this concept is called as recursion. Okay, finally you are returning the x. So here also you are returning the x, here also you are returning the x. So that's why this x is an integer variable. So that's what we have kept the return type as int. Okay, good till now. The return value of function f5 is, if the function we are passing the value 5, what is the return value of this x they are asking? They have given 4 options such as 51, 52, 53, 54. We need to solve this question and find out the right answer. Okay, so let me solve this question. So they have given the function called fun5. So the meaning is that n value is equal to 5. Why? Because this function is calling with the value 5, so it will go to the function definition. In the function definition you have int n. So to this variable n, we will assign a constant called 5. Then int x is equal to 1. So x value is 1. Okay. K they have declared, but they did not assign any value. So it will have a garbage value unless until you assign some value. Okay. Some garbage value is there. Okay. N is equal to 1. What is the n value? 5. Whether 5 is equal to 1? No, 5 is not equal to 1. So this condition is failed. If this condition is failed, directly you will come and execute this for loop. What is the for loop? K is equal to 1. Okay, they are initializing the value 1, or they are assigning a value 1 to this variable called k. Now you need to check this condition, k less than n. What is the k value? 1 is less than n, which is 5. Okay, this condition is true. 1 is less than 5. So if this condition is true, you need to execute this block. X is equal to x plus, okay, fun of k. Fun of k is nothing but, what is the k value? K value is 1, so you are calling fun 1 into fun n minus k. N value is 5, okay, 5 minus k is 1, so which is nothing but fun of 4. Okay, so you are calling the fun1 function. Okay, is it clear? So you need to call this function with value 1. But before that, let me check what is the entire for loop will give for you. Then we will execute this fun1, fun4, then we will get the value and we can substitute in this equation. So you got x is equal to x plus fun k into fun n minus k. What is the x value? X value they have assigned is 1. So it is nothing but 1 plus fun 1 into fun 4. Okay. Now look at here. Once the statement is executed, you will go to the update section. Update section, it is incrementing the k value by 1. So k value will be updated to 2. Okay. Still x is 1 only. Okay. Are you able to understand? Whether x is 1, now x is not 1, x is consists of this statement. Okay, you can write this one. This x is consists of 1 plus, because they have given x is equal to x plus fun k into fun n minus k. So it will execute this one and it will store it in the variable called x. So now x is consists of this one. Okay. Now once the incrementation is done, you need to go for the condition checking. K is less than n. What is the k value? 2. N value is 5. Again the condition is true. If this condition is true, again you need to execute x is equal to x plus fun k into fun n minus k. Okay. So x is this one. Are you able to understand? Plus. So hold this plus. Okay. Fun k. Fun k is nothing but 2. Fun 2. Okay. Are you able to understand? Into fun n minus k. N minus means 5 minus 2, which is fun 3. Okay, good till now. So now the x is consists of this whole value. 1 plus fun 1 into fun 4 plus fun 2 into fun 3. Okay, this entire value will be here and k value will be incremented to 3. Okay, now again you need to check the condition k less than n or not. K value is 3, so 3 less than 5, again the condition is true. If this condition is true, again you need to execute x is equal to x plus fun k into fun n minus k. Okay, already you know that this is the x. For this whole one, you need to add fun k. What is fun k? Fun 3, k value is 3 right now, into n minus 3, which is 5 minus 3, which is nothing but fun 2. Okay, good. Now the x is consists of this whole statement. Okay, you can remove this braces now. Okay, because fun 1 plus this statement, this statement, this statement. Okay, good. Now k value will be incremented. K value will become 4. Now 4 is less than 5. Am I right or wrong? Because k is less than n or not, we are checking. 4 is less than 5. Again the condition is true. If the condition is true, again you need to execute the statement which are there in the for loop, which is x is equal to x plus fun k into fun n minus k. So already you have this x value. For this whole one, we need to add this fun k. What is the fun k now? K value is 4. So which is fun 4 into fun n minus k. N value is 5. K value is 4, which is nothing but fun 1. Okay. So now the x value is this entire part. Okay. Are you able to understand it or not? Now k value will be incremented. Now k value will be updated to 5. Now check the condition. K is less than n or not. K value is 5. N value is 5. They are not less. K is not less than n. K is equal to n. So this condition is failed. If this condition is failed, you need to return the x value. But this is the what the x we have. We need to compute the each one and then we can find the final x value. That value we can return it. So now let me simplify this expression so that we can easily solve this question. So 1 plus fun 1 into fun 4. If you look at here, we have fun 4 into fun 1. Now look at a into b is equal to b into a or not? Yes, a into b is equal to b into a. So I can consider this one as 1 plus, okay, 2 into fun 1 into fun 4, okay, plus again if you look at here, fun 2 into fun 3, fun 3 into fun 2. So again they are same, so we can write it as 2 into fun 2 into fun 3. Let me write it. So if I take the 2 common, it will be 1 plus 2 into fun1 into fun4 plus fun2 into fun3. This is what we have got the expression. Okay, let me erase this one and write this value, and we will compute this value. Okay, so we got 1 plus 2 into fun1 into fun4 plus fun2 into fun3, whole braces we have. Okay, now let me compute fun1, fun2, fun3 and fun4. Then we will substitute those values. First let me compute fun1. What is the fun1 is giving? Okay, fun1 is not giving the fun, it will give some value. Okay, look at here. Now if n value is equal to 1, that is what? Because you are calling this function fun with value 1. Okay, so now the n will be assigned with a constant called 1. Now x is equal to 1. Okay, you have a k variable, you did not assign any value till now, so it will consist of some garbage value. Now look at this condition, n is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 1 or not? Yes, the condition is true. If this condition is true, what you need to do? You need to return the x value. What is the x value? 1. Okay, are you able to understand it or not? You are returning the x value, so you will come out from this if condition, because you are returning x, so you will come out from this function called fun. So fun1 is giving the value 1, so you keep the value 1 here. Now we will compute the fun2. Let's see what the fun2 will give the value. Fun2 is equal to what we need to substitute. Now n value is equal to 2. Will you agree with me or not? The n variable will be assigned with a constant called 2. X is equal to 1 and k, still now the garbage value is there. Now look at this condition is true or false. 2 is equal to 1. No, 2 is not equal to 1. So this condition is failed. So you will execute this block. Okay, for k is equal to 1. Okay, initialization done. K value is equal to 1. Now k is less than n or not, we need to check. What is the n value? N value is 2. K value is currently 1. So 1 is less than 2. This condition is true. If this condition is true, you need to execute this part. X is equal to x plus fun k into fun n minus k. X is equal to x plus, x value is currently 1, 1 plus fun k is nothing but fun1, okay, into fun n minus k. N minus k is nothing but what? 2. N value is 2, k value is 1, so 2 minus 1 is 1, so fun1. So you got x is equal to x plus fun1 into fun 2 minus 1, 1. So which is nothing but 1 plus fun1 into fun1. Okay, this is your entire x. You already know what is the fun1. What is the fun1? Fun1 is 1. So 1 into 1, which is nothing but 1. So 1 plus 1, till now we got the value 2. So this entire part you can write it as x is equal to 2. Okay, let me write here. Is it completed? No. You have to increment the k value. What will be the k value now? K value will be updated to 2. Again you need to check the condition. If k value is updated to 2, 2 is less than 2. That is what? K is less than n, or you are checking. K value is 2, n value is 2. 2 is equal to 2, 2 is not less than 2, so this condition is failed. If this condition is failed, you will return the value x. So that value x is 2, so it will return. So fun2 we got the value as 2. Okay. Now let me compute fun3. What will be the value if you are giving the value 3 to this function? Fun3 is equal to what? If fun3 we are calling, n value will be equal to 3. And k value is consists of no value, so garbage value will be there. x is equal to 1. Okay, is it clear? Now look at the condition. N is equal to 1. No, 3 is not equal to 1. The condition is failed, so we'll execute this block. Okay, for k is equal to 1, k value is 1, and you need to check the condition k less than n or not. K is value 1, less than 3. 1 is less than 3 or not? Yes, 1 is less than 3. So the condition is true. If the condition is true, you will execute x is equal to x plus fun k into fun n minus k. Okay, so x is equal to x plus, what is the x value? 1 plus fun k. Fun k is nothing but k value is 1, which is nothing but fun 1 into fun n minus k. N value is 3, k value is 1, so 3 minus 1 is 2, so you are calling fun 2. This is your x value right now. X is equal to 1 plus fun 1 into fun 2. You know what is the fun value? 1, fun 2 value. Fun 1 value is 1, fun 2 value is 2. So this is nothing but 1 plus 2 is 3. So the x value is currently consists of value 3. Okay, are you able to understand? You can write this entire part as 3. X value is currently 3. Now look at this one. K value will be incremented. Now k value will be updated to 2. Okay, if k value is updated to 2, again you will check the condition. 2 is less than 3. The condition is true. If this condition is true, again you will execute the statement x is equal to x plus fun k into fun n minus k. X value is 3. So 3 plus fun k, what is the k value? 2. So fun 2 into fun n minus k, which is nothing but 3 minus 2, which is fun 1. Okay, so you can substitute the values. 3 plus fun 2 is 2, fun 1 is 1. So 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. So now the x value is updated to the value called 5. Okay, is it clear? You can erase this entire one. Right now x is consists of value 5. Will you agree with me or not? Okay, now once it is done, you will increment the k value. K value will be updated to a constant called 3. Okay, now look at this condition. K is less than n or not? What is the k value? 3. 3 is less than 3? No, 3 is equal to 3. So this condition is failed. If this condition is failed, it will come out from the for loop and it will return the x value. What is the x value? 5. So the function 3 will get the value as 5. Okay, fun 3 is getting the value 5. Now we need to compute the fun 4. We are having lot of fun. Okay, fun 4 we want to compute. If we want to compute the fun 4, this function will call. Now n will be assigned with a constant called 4. Okay, and the x will be initialized with a value called 1. Okay, k we did not initialize anything, so it will consist of garbage value. Now you need to check the condition. If n is equal to 1 or not. Whether 4 is equal to 1? No, the condition is failed. So you will execute this for loop. K is equal to 1. So initialization k is equal to 1. K less than n or not, we need to check. K value is 1, less than 4. 1 is less than 4. Condition is true. So x is equal to x plus fun k into fun n minus k. X is consists of 1 plus fun k. K value is 1. So which is fun 1 into fun n minus k. N value is 4. K value is 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So which is nothing but fun 3. So substitute it. You already know fun 1, fun 3. So which is nothing but 1 plus fun 1 is 1. Fun 3 is 5. So 1 plus 1 into 5, which is nothing but 6. So now x is consists of value 6 till now. Okay, you can erase everything and you can say that x is currently consists of value 6. Now what is the next one? You are done with this one. You will go to the incrementation section. So k value will be incremented to 2 or updated to 2. Now again you check the condition. K is less than n or not? K value is 2. So 2 less than 4. The condition is true. If the condition is true, again you will execute this block. X is equal to x plus fun k into fun n minus k. Okay. Now x value is 6. So 6 plus fun k. Fun k means nothing but fun 2 because k value is 2. And fun n minus k. N value is 4. K value is 2. So 4 minus 2 is nothing but fun of 2. Now you know already fun value of 2, which is 2. So substitute the value 2 into 2, which is nothing but 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10. So now x value is updated to 10. Here also let me update. Okay. Now what will happen? K value will be incremented and it will update it to 3. Now again you will check the condition k less than n. What is the k value? K value is 3. So 3 less than 4. Again the condition is true. If this condition is true, again you will execute the statement x is equal to x plus fun k into fun n minus k. X value we know that it is 10. 10 plus fun k, which is nothing but fun 3, okay, into fun n minus k. N minus k is nothing but n value is 4 and k value is 3. So fun 1. Okay. So you know what is the fun 3 value. Okay, substitute it 5. You know what is the fun 1 value? 1. So which is nothing but 10 plus 5, which is equal to 15. So x value is updated to 15. Here also let me update. Okay, let me erase this part. Okay, once it is done, you need to increment the k value. So k value will be updated to 4. Okay, now again you check the condition k less than n or not. 4 is less than n. No, the condition is failed. If this condition is failed, it will come out from the for loop and it will execute the statement which is written x. What is the x value? 15. So 15 will be written. So this function 4 is giving me the output as 15. So we get the value here also 15. Just substitute them. 1 plus 2 into fun 1 is 1, fun 4 is 15, plus fun 2 is 2, fun 3 is 5. Just substitute the values and compute it. 2 into 15 plus 10, which is equal to 2 into 25, which is equal to 1 plus 50, which is equal to 51. Okay, so we got the right answer is A. A value is 51, option A. Whereas B is 52, 53, 54, we got the 51. So option A is right. So for this question, the right answer is option A. I hope you have understood how I solved this question. I know that it is very lengthy, but what can we do? Okay, if you practice it, we can do it very fast. But as several students will watch, maybe they are beginners or they are middle people. So if you feel that the video is very lengthy and you know those concepts, you can watch it with a speed of 1.5x like that. Okay. So if you still have any doubts related to this question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.